In this video, you will learn, is Duolingo good for learning Welsh? Duolingo can be a great tool for learning Welsh, especially for many beginners. The app gamified approach makes learning engaging and even provides a fun way to pick up vocabulary, basic grammar and sentence structure in Welsh. Its short, interactive lessons cover a variety of language skills, such as writing, listening, speaking and reading. This helps learners develop a well-rounded foundation in the language of Welsh. The app also reinforces learning through repetition, which is great for memorization. However, Duolingo might have some limitations when it comes to learning more advanced Welsh concepts. Welsh grammar can be very complex, and while Duolingo covers the basics, it might not always provide enough depth or detailed explanation or intricate grammar rules. Additionally, Duolingo's lessons might not offer as much as real-life conversational practice, which is crucial for fluency. Overall, Duolingo is a great way to start learning Welsh, but for more advanced learners, it's always recommended to combine it with other resources like Welsh language media, speaking practices in Welsh, and grammar focus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.